Back to my regular kind of videos besides all these race videos and travel videos. Um, as you saw in some of the other videos, we bought my daughter a new car. I'm a firm believer in doing the break-in and then changing the oil. We're at 1,500 miles, so I'm going to get the oil changed. And I'm going to get the oil changed, but I wanted to show you how to reset the oil monitoring system reset. So stick around if you want to see that. It's pretty short and simple, sweet, and all those other things. So take a look. As in the old Fusion, you have the controls, and then you have the display up here. And I got the display mode with the distance to empty, miles per hour, tire pressure, or you can do all different kinds. Your trip resets, your fuel economy display, which we like to have. So anyways, to reset the oil, you go to settings and then push OK, and then you go to vehicle to the right with the clicker, and then you got oil engine. So you come to this screen, you go to oil life reset, oil percentage, and then you just push the OK button and hold it till it resets, and now we're back at 100. So even though I only have 1,500 miles, I'm gonna get the oil changed and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching, and we'll have more how-to videos coming out soon. Thank you.